Hello, on today's video of Yusuf Onabekun channel, I'll be talking about which is your best option. Should you use automatic placement or manual placement? And without further ado, let's just jump right in. So one of the things when it comes to setting up adverts is people always like, should I go ahead with this? Excuse me, I go ahead with this or automatic placement, or should I go ahead with this with the non-automatic? So for those that don't understand, let me jump into the placement angle so you understand what I'm talking about. Mm. So let's say you are setting up a campaign now, trying to optimize for anything. So you scroll down to this section that has is your now this is automatic. As you can see, all this placement like this being included is automatic. So when they talk about manual, you now want to start removing which one you don't want to. So one of the things to do about this is, depending on the market you are, or regardless of the market you are, I will tell you that the best way to go about it is to test. The more you test, the better for you, because this helps you to know if it is a good stuff for you and the likes. And most likely, when you are first starting out, when you're first setting up your campaign, the best thing for you is to first asterisk everything. So let's say after like 3 to 7 days, if you can afford to, you can now base your analysis on how to go about it. Now, if you watch my previous video, I referenced how you can check which placement, which country, or which store, which a very good one for you to where your ad is coming from or where your sales is coming from. So if you are able to reason that, by the time you are using either of the options there, you know what exactly you are looking out for, and not just guessing about, oh, this one is meant to work, that one is meant to work. So this is the best way to go around it. I will not tell you that automatically manual is the best option, or automatic is the best option, because the only thing that is very guaranteed when it comes to meta art platform, either Facebook or Instagram, is the fact that you have to do your things by testing. It is the algorithm that gives you the answer of what of the things you like, and it is the best platform to tell you that, oh, for this particular project you are running, automatic is your best option, or for this particular project you are running, manual is your best option. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.